Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the question number 3. Question number 3, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Here they are giving the number of the list of the numbers. So you have to find that first term and the common difference. First term 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. A1 is equal to 3. So A equal to 3 is that first term only. And then D means A2 minus A1. So you have to find 1 minus 3. It is a minus 2. This is only the common difference. Anyway, you have to check that A3 minus A2 also. If you are check means you are getting that same answer. So your answer is a correct. So checking purpose only I did A3 minus A2. Because in this question itself they gave for the following APs. So the given list of the numbers is the AP only they mentioned. That's why you have to check it whether your answer is the correct purpose I did. Okay, no need for that A3 minus A2. And second one is a homework. So third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So first term equal to 1 by 3 and common difference A2 minus A1. So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. And then homework sum, second one and the fourth one. I gave the answer also. You have to check it after completing the sums. And then question number 4, which of the following APs are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Here you have to check the given list of the number is a AP or not. If it is AP means you have to find the common difference and then you have to find the next 3 terms. So 2, 4, 8, 16. So first one you have to find the common difference A2 minus A1. So 2 answer. A3 minus A2 4. Here you will check it. These two common difference are not equal. Therefore the given list of the numbers does not form an AP. Okay. And then second sum. Next 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 7 by 2. So we are finding that D A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2, taking LCM and then find that half. Same A3 minus A2, find that 3 minus 5 by 2, 6 minus 5 by 2, therefore half. These two common difference are that equal. Therefore, this list of numbers can form an AP. If it is in the form of an AP means you have to find that next 3 terms. So A5, A6, A7 you have to find. A5 means A4 plus D. A4 already you are having 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Then you are getting that answer A5 equal to 4. Same A6, A5 plus 6D. This number plus D. So you will be right there itself 4 plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2, then answer. You should not simplify this one because given question itself they are giving that a fraction and then whole number. That's why you have to write in that same form. Okay. A7 equal to A6 plus D and then 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Therefore answer 10 by 2 and then 5. Next 3 terms you have to find and then write that answer 4, 9 by 2 and then 5. And then next question, third sum, minus 1 by 2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. D equal to A2 minus A1 and then here A3 minus A2 you have to find both and check the answer minus 2.0, here also minus 2.0. So your answer common difference is the same. So you have to find that next 3 terms by using that same way. Check it here itself. Minus 3.2 minus of minus it will become a plus. So be careful in the part of the signs. Okay. Here itself minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Minus and then plus if it is there means you have to subtract and put the greatest number sign. Therefore you put here itself as a negative sign. And check this purpose only properly. And then fifth sum 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So same thing you have to find D equal to A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3, 3 cancel, so root 2. Same here itself you are getting 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2 it will be that root 2. So D is the common difference is the same. Then you have to find that A5, A6, A7 by using that same formula A4 plus D, A5 plus D and A6 plus D. And then you have to take there itself 3 plus 4 root 2 and 3 plus 5 root 2 and then 3 plus 6 root 2. Next 3 terms are the 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. The next sums, 6th subdivision. 0.2, 0.22 and 0.222 and 0.222. Here itself you have to find A2 minus A1 and then A3 minus A2. Then subtract this one and get that numbers. D is not equal. Therefore, the given list of the number does not form an AP. And the next one, A square, A cube, A power 4. Same like this, A2 minus A1. And substitute here itself A square minus A into A minus 1. And A3 minus A2, same here itself, A square is a common term, A minus 1. So here this common difference, both are the differ, therefore this list of the form cannot form an AP. The next one, root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Same like this, D equal to A2 minus A1, root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Square root of 4 can be written as a 2. So, okay, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is a 2. Same way you have to find here itself. Root 18 can be written as root 9 into 2. And then 9 can be written as the square of the 3. Therefore, 3 root 2 it will be. And then subtract and get. Here common difference is the same. So the given list of the numbers can form an AP. Then you have to find A5, A4 plus D. So A4 you are having that root 32. So root 32 plus root 2. Root 32 can be written as root of 16 into 2. 16 can be written as 4 root 2. Here itself plus root 2. So answer it is that 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 can be written in that form of like this way, square root of 32 like that way. Na? So 5 root 2 can be written what is square root of 5 root 2 squares will be go inside twice a time. So 5 into 5 into 2, therefore root 50. Like this way you have to find A6 and A7. Okay, root 72 and root 98. And then 13th sum. In between the sums and all, I gave that homework. Which one you feel difficulty in the form of addition and subtraction, and then how to take that common part, that way I wrote in that. Okay, root 3 and root 6 and root 12. D equal to A2 minus A1. Root 6 minus root 3. So the root 3 root 6 can be written as 3 into 2, therefore root 3 into root 3, root 3 as a common, so root 2 minus 1 it will be. Same like this, here itself you are taking means root 3 minus root 2, therefore this common difference are not equal. The given list of the forms cannot form an AP. And then 15th sum, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. Be careful, if you are seeing part, you decided that this number is not cannot form an AP, but you have to check it properly. 1 square can be written as 1 and 5 square 25, 7 square 49 and 73. D equal to A2 minus A1, so it will be subtract and get it, and A3 minus A2 check it. Here why I did means checking purpose, the number is a differ, so we can check it whether it conforming purpose. We'll do it A4 minus A3, that is also same. So all the common difference is the same in the given list of the numbers can form an AP. Then as usual you have to do that A5, A6 and A7. If you are right all those things, next 3 terms you got. And then homework sums I gave. Root 10, 4th sum, 7th sum, 8th, 9th and 10th, 15th. Answer also I gave. First you have to check whether that given number is that a list of the number is a AP. If it is AP means you have to find that next 3 terms. So I wrote answer AP and next 3 terms. If it is a not an AP means you will check that the common difference is not equal. That's why it is not an AP. You will be check this all that solution. Okay. Thank you children.